Sundus Mustaqeen is a Pakistani journalist from Islamabad taking on Gaurav Arya. Ms. Mustaqeen, can you tell us why the Pakistani terrorists, the Pakistani criminals are in the middle of these gang wars these days? You know, one gang killing another gang, one gang member killing another gang member, one terrorist killing another terrorist. We have seen increased killings by terrorists of terrorists. So how do you analyze this? Why is this happening?
Lucy, thank you for having me in your program. And you said terrorists are killing terrorists. Is this making any sense when we say terrorists are killing terrorists? If this is the case, this is I would say, the lucky case ever. If terrorists has been killing terrorists, I think we are accusing and blaming India, and it's not just Pakistan who's blaming India of killing people in our country, but actually 4 countries, including Pakistan, the USA, the Canada, and even the Great Britain. All these 4 countries are accusing and blaming India for the target killings. You know, the Canadian Prime Minister is on the same view. The US State Department is on the same view. Even the investigation are going on in UK as well, right? It's not only Pakistan who's blaming India for these killings, actually. So 3 other different countries.
You're saying that we are, but you have no proof.
According to the international media,
there is no proof of this. There is Sundusji, there has to be some proof behind this. This new theory that you are putting out, every day coming up with a new theory that India is involved in killing this person.
Singh has said this with so much of confidence, actually. At one side, your foreign minister has been denying, and on the other side, on the flip side, your defense minister Rajnath Singh is on the same way with so much of confidence that yes, we are killing and we will keep on killing people inside the country in Pakistan. So I think
he has not said that. Let me tell you. One minute. Rajnath Singh has said. Rajnath Singh ji has said. No. Sundus ji, Rajnath Singh ji has said कि हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं.
Exactly.
Gaurav will explain, and I can. Gaurav can explain. एक मिनट.
Even your PM has said that India is on the same way, having so much of power. Means indirectly, he's predicting that yes, we can do that.
Yeah.
He is admitting actually that yes, we can do that, and it's not admitting actually that yes, we can do that.
Yes, we can do that, and we have done it. We have.
Canada, Great Britain.
No, we have done it, but
2019, India is on
if you are saying that
it's moved towards the target killings of either Sikh leaders or Pakistani so-called terrorists or whatsoever. No. So India is now habitual of killing people in USA and Pakistan and whatsoever. You know, the Khalistan Tehreek, India is killing people, Sikh leaders in USA and even the New York, and you just denied when it comes to.
No, it's all right. If you feel this way, I have a Sundusji. If you feel this way, if you genuinely feel this way, I'll pass it on to Gaurav to respond to you. देखिए ये तो कोई दो राय नहीं है सुंदर जी. गौरव भी आपको कहेंगे कि हम कहते हैं कि ये नया भारत है, हम मारते हैं, हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं. नया भारत है, हम अप्रोच है कि हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं, जैसे हमने बालाकोट में मारा, हमने मारा. आप नहीं मगर ये जो छोटी मोटी घटनाएं आपके यहाँ हो रही है, उसके साथ हमारा क्या लेना देना. गौरव will respond to you. Gaurav, Usma Kardar of the PMLN is also there. You know, would you like to respond to this view of the Pakistanis that we are killing their terrorists on their soil?
No, Arnab, I don't think we are killing anybody. And whatever action we have taken, this ghar mein ghus ke marna, it relates to Balakot and the surgical strikes. That is point number 1. Point number 2, have you realized one thing very funny?
Correct.
Harjeet Singh Nijjar dies, and as very rightly brought out by the Pakistani panelist, you know, everybody gets very offended that India has done it. Everybody. But when the Americans are asked about the Pakistanis, 20 Pakistanis getting killed, the Americans say we have no comment. So basically in the world, nobody cares if Pakistanis die. Have you noted this? The American spokesperson said, we don't know anything about this, we don't want to comment. One Canadian citizen dies, everybody is very conscious, though they don't have proof. Till now, so many months have passed, but Justin Trudeau has not offered 1% proof. He should have given the proof. He should have so-called quote-unquote
Yeah.
exposed India in front of everybody.
Yeah.
You see, they should have done it. And the Pakistanis should do it. But they're not doing it. But 20
Yes, they are doing
Pakistanis
it.
get killed.
Indian
Madam, just hold on.
Federal
Ma'am, just hold on.
Republic.
Allow me to... Ma'am, you should not interfere. When you were speaking, I kept quiet. So, ma'am, have a little bit of manners, ma'am. This is an Indian TV channel, not a Pakistani channel. Hold on. So, essentially what has happened is... No, don't do this. It's coming to you. Right now, hold on. So, what is
Yes,
the
please
problem
now.
with them?
We feel
That
that
is the problem
there
with
is
them. This is the
suspicion
problem
on
with
India,
Pakistanis.
on
The
Raw,
terrorists are the
that
heroes.
they are involved in his killing
The
as
terrorists are
well.
the heroes. That is
Someone
why
interfered.
Imran Khan on the floor of the parliament called Osama bin
So,
Laden a
Donna
Shaheed.
Arya, please have
You
some
should ask them.
manners. Let her speak.
So now
इनके
let us
heroes
you
हैं ये
people have
terrorists.
to answer to the whole world.
इनके
It's not just
इनके heroes
Pakistan
हैं.
that you have to
Arnab,
answer to. You have
ये
to
इनसे-
answer to
Madam,
all these
tell me
other
something.
countries where you are
Osman
carrying
ji, tell me
on
something.
these
Why
terrorist
were you in
activities.
FATF?
You're killing from
Why
the
were you
left,
in
right, and
FATF?
center.
Why was your
Especially
country in
the
FATF 4
Khalistan
times?
movement.
Please answer my
You are
question.
killing sects all over the place.
Please answer
Wherever
my
there is a
question.
referendum,
Why were you on
wherever
FATF?
they
Grey list.
come out in
4
throngs,
times
in
FATF
millions
grey
and
list.
say that we
Because you
want
were
our
supporting
own
terrorists.